we can make it all equal to 0. So we have x squared minus 2x plus 3x is going to be x. And I've got the minus 6. And I'm also bringing the other 6 over, so it's plus 6. And that gives us a beautiful equation of x squared plus x is equals to 0. We still need to factorize it, so let's go down a little. And we always start by looking for a common factor. In this case, our common factor is quite easy to spot. We've got x as a common factor in both. If we take out x as a common factor, x squared would become x, and x divided by x becomes 1. Now, as we said before, anything multiplied by 0 has a value of 0, and that's why we divide the two factors, in other words, the x and the x plus 1, into two different equations. So x plus 1 is equals to 0. That means x is going to be equal to negative 1. Our two answers then are x is equals to 0 and x is equals to negative 1. Let's move on up and go and see the next question. And a lovely exponential equation. Now the trick is to change everything to products of their prime factors first. So we know 2 is 2. Let's put it like that, but then we have 8 is actually 2 to the power of 3, and then that's to the power of x. At the bottom, 4 is actually 2 to the power of 2, x minus 1. I'm going to put that in brackets now. And then 32 is actually 2 to the power of 5, isn't it? So now we have something we can work with. I'm going to change 2 to the power of x minus 4 into 2 to the power of x times by 2 to the power of negative 4. And it'll become more obvious just now why I'm doing that. In the meantime, I'm multiplying things out. So it becomes 2 to the power of 2x. And don't forget to multiply the negative 1 by 2 as well. And then we've got 2 to the power of 5 on the other side. I'm also going to break this up a bit and add these and see what happens. So I have 2 to the power of 2x, or 4x at least, at the top, times by 2 to the power of negative 4. And at the bottom, I have 2 to the power of 2x